Hello friends, and welcome to today's meditation class. Meditation is the journey from your unreal self to the true self, from the imagined self to the true self. It is the journey of the peace of the mind. It is the journey to access the deepest layer of your mind. It is the journey from unconscious to subconscious to the conscious mind. We do a lot of things to keep ourselves fit and healthy, but in order to keep our mind fit and healthy, we need to do regular meditation practice. So today's meditation practice is all about accessing the deepest layer of your mind, to know more about your mind, to know more about yourself, to discover your true self, and to discover the power of consciousness. These all are the subtle faculties of the mind which we never talks about, which we either read through books, but the process is not there. How to access the deepest layer of the mind, how to access the subconscious mind. These processes are not written anywhere. So the process that goes behind all these accessing the various subtle faculties of the mind is through meditation. Through meditation, you can access the subconscious mind, the unconscious mind, and to know more about your mind, to know more about your faculties. So today, in a very briefly, we will look at the meditation practice that we can adopt to access the various layers of our mind. So first we'll look at how to sit for the basic meditation practice. So we have to sit straight. We can sit on the floor, on a piece of a mat we can sit, and we have to keep our spine straight and shoulder retraced, and the neck position should be a little bit upwards, slightly upwards. We can keep our hands, palms on the knees. We can also clasp our fingers like this and keep them on the floor. And we gently have to close our eyes. And we have to find a reference point on which we can pay attention to, which is the reference point on which we can come back again and again. So we will choose breath as a basic reference point. So this is how it goes. So you close your eyes and you sit straight, look a little bit upwards, and be with your breath. All that you have to do is to be with your breath. You don't have to alter your breath, neither slow nor fast. Let it be automatic. So we have to keep this on practice regularly for a week or two, till the time you get the awareness of the breath. Because till now you don't have any awareness of the breath, you are not mindful about your breath. So we have to pay attention to the breath. So once we start paying attention to the breath, this becomes a simple habit of our daily life. Even when we are not meditating in our daily life, we should pay attention to our breath. So this is also called the mindfulness. So when we pay in the wakefulness, when we are working, when we pay attention to our breath, then it is called mindfulness of the breath, and we become more mindful of our breath. So thank you everyone.